Hello students, now we are going to discuss about significant figures. First let us see about the definition of significant figures. The digits which tell us the number of units we are reasonably sure of having counted in making a measurement are called significant figures. Once again I repeat, the digits which tell us the number of units we are reasonably sure of having counted in making a measurement are called a significant figure. One more definition is given for significant figure, that is the digits that are known reliably plus the first uncertain digit are known as significant figures or significant digits. The digits that are known reliably plus the first uncertain digit are known as significant figures or significant digits. Look at the example. The value of the gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter squared kilogram power minus 2. Here the digits 6 and 6 are said to be reliable and certain, while the digit 7 is said to be uncertain. Thus the measured value has 3 significant figures. Now let us discuss about the rules for counting significant figures in the given numbers. Look at the first rule. All the non-zero digits are called significant. For example, 1342. This number has 4 significant figures. Rule number 2. All zeros between the two non-zero digits are significant. Example, 2008. It has 4 significant figures. Here the zeros in between the number 2 and 8 also considered as what? Significant figure. So the number 2008 has how many significant figure? 4 significant figure. Rule number 3. All zeros to the right of the non-zero digit but to the left of the decimal point are significant. Example, 30,700 point. This number has 5 significant figures. You have to check the numbers to the left side of the decimal point. All the numbers, even it is 0, that also considered as a significant figure when it lies in the left hand side of decimal point. So all the numbers 3, 0, 7, 0, 0, all these numbers are considered as significant figures. So this number 30,700 point has 5 significant figures. Rule number 4. The number without a decimal point, the terminal or trailing zeros are not significant. Look at the example, 30,700. In this number there is no decimal point at the end. So in this number all the trailing zeros are said to be non-significant. Hence this number has 3 significant figures. In this number 3, 0 and 7 are said to be significant. So this number has 3 significant figures. But the trailing zeros 0, 0 are not significant. Next one. All zeros are significant if they come from a measurement. So look at the next example, 30,700 meter. If the number is represented by the measurement like meter, kilogram, second, like that, in that case all the trailing zeros in the given number are said to be significant. So in this number 30,700 meter, in this number it has 5 significant figures. Next one, if the number is less than 1, the zeros on the right side of the decimal point but to the left side of the first non-zero digit are not significant. Look at the example, 0.00345. In this number all the zeros, all the preceding zeros are not significant. Hence this number has how many significant figures? 3. So first three zeros 0.00 are not significant, but the numbers 3, 4, 5 are said to be significant. So when the number is less than 1, all the zeros, preceding zeros are said to be not significant. Next one, all the zeros to the right of the decimal point and to the right of the non-zero digit are significant. Example 40.00. In this number, all the zeros to the left side of the decimal point and to the right side of the decimal point are said to be significant. So this number 40.00 has how many significant figures? 4 significant figures. And one more example is given, 0.030400. In this number, the zero between the decimal point and the number 3 is not significant, but the trailing zeros are said to be significant. So this number has how many significant figures? 5 significant figures. What are they? 3, 0, 4, 0, 0. These are said to be the 5 significant figures. Next point, the number of significant figures does not depend upon the system of units used. For example, 1.53 centimeter, 0.0153 meter, 0.0000153 kilometer. All these numbers are having the same significant figures, that is nothing but 3. So from this what we understand, the number of significant figures does not depend upon the system of units. So there is a note given in our textbook. Look at that. Multiplying or dividing factors which are neither rounded numbers nor numbers representing measured values or exact, and they have infinite numbers of significant figures as per situation. For example, let us imagine the circumference of the circle S is equal to 2 pi r. Here the factor 2 is the exact number. It can be written as 2.0 or 2.00 or 2.000 as required. Note number 2. The power of 10 is irrelevant to the determination of significant figures. For example, x is equal to 5.70 meter is equal to 5.70 into 10 squared centimeter is equal to 5.70 into 10 power 3 millimeter is equal to 5.70 into 10 power minus 3 kilometer. So in each case, the number of significant figure is said to be 3. So from this what we understand, the power of 10 is irrelevant to the determination of significant figure. So we have to omit all the 10 powers. Okay, after omitting all the 10 powers from in these numbers, how many significant figures are there? 3. See this example 1.10. State the number of significant figures in the following. Look at the first number, 6,800,000. In this number, the 2 zeros in between the number 6 and 8 are said to be significant, but the trailing 2 zeros are not significant. So the number of significant figures in this number is said to be 4. And next, see the next example, 400. According to the rule, all the trailing zeros of the given number are said to be not significant. So this number has only one significant figure, that is nothing but 4. Next example, 0.007. According to the rule, the zeros to the right side of the decimal point as well as to the left side of the first non-zero digit are not significant. With respect to that rule, this number has only one significant figure. Look at the fourth example, 5,213.0. So according to the rule, all the zeros to the right side of the decimal point are considered as a significant figure. So this number has how many significant figures? 5 significant figures. Next example, 2.65 into 10 power 24 meter. According to the rule, in the given number, the 10 power should be neglected while selecting about the significant figures. So with respect to that rule, this number has 3 significant figures. Look at the next sum, 0.006032. In this number, let us apply the rule. The zeros to the right side of the decimal point and to the left side of the first non-zero digit are not significant. So all the preceding zeros are not significant, but the remaining numbers are said to be significant. So the number of significant figures for this number is said to be 4. Thank you, students.